Why isn't she stopping the car?
Because she's f***ing out of her mind. I'm the one who called the police. Jesus Christ.
Passenger, this appears to be some...
She thought yelling and resisting would help her break free from the cuffs, but all it did was make the officers hold on tighter.
Hands up, don't shoot.
What happened?
Oh, there. I'll go with you toe to toe.
What should have been a simple late-night stop at a gas station quickly spiraled into something much bigger. It began with chaos in the car, music blasting, a flag waving, and her screaming into the night. Her boyfriend, a lawyer, finally lost his patience. He walked away, leaving her at the gas station and called police for help.
Come right here. Yep. Put your hands right here on the car.
Yes.
I have nothing to do with this. You're getting detained right now until we figure out what's going on. I don't know what.
Crazy.
Who is that to you and what's happening?
She's my ex-girlfriend.
Why isn't she stopping the car?
Because she's f***ing out of her mind.
Okay. Are you guys having some sort of domestic?
No,
Step
she's
on
just... Yes. Listen, I'm the one who called the police. Jesus Christ. What are you arresting me for?
Okay, I've got the passenger. This appears to be some sort of domestic. They're having some sort of argument, and he called 911 already. And the female is now westbound on Hollandale Beach Boulevard.
So she took off?
Yes.
She just took off?
Yes. You have no weapons, right?
No, of course not.
That's your ex-girlfriend?
Yes.
Why did you
took my stuff.
why did you call the police?
I didn't call the police.
You said you called the police.
No, I didn't call the police. I called the police earlier because she wouldn't let me in, but she just took my shit
Called the police earlier where?
at my house.
No batteries. She never attacked you.
No,
Nothing.
no. So I don't know why you're detaining me.
Yeah, 4. We don't have any domestic charges.
She just took my stuff.
Do you have an ID on you by any chance?
No, because she took my wallet. I got nothing.
How long have you guys been broken up?
We've been on and off for 5 years. She came back 4 days ago to get her car. She's trying to...
For how
What
long?
she wants to do is get
My
you
man,
guys indicted.
I don't know if you can tell or not.
Instead of cooling off, she escalated. When officers showed up, she sped away, launching a wild chase through the streets of Laguna Beach. Her ex didn't hold back. He told police the truth. She's out of control and she wants to get you indicted.
747 Hollandale Beach. She stopped.
Come here.
Hands up, don't shoot.
What happened?
Hands up, don't shoot. Call your
For what? What is going on?
You guys just slashed my tires. You need to get over to Triple D. This is where they're trying to kill people.
Stand in front of me like that. What is happening?
Call internal affairs. Call internal
Turn down your radio.
When officers boxed her in, she screamed, "Hands up, don't shoot," before accusing them of brutality, mocking them, and even trying to fight.
Call internal affairs. I'll go with you toe to toe without a badge and a gun. I'm sober and I don't do drugs.
She is trying to get you guys indicted. She's running around taking pictures of you guys, making you pull her over. Okay. Because she wants to get you guys indicted for police brutality.
Sit down for 1 second. Let me get my paper. Let me get your information. Let me get her information.
Please.
Let's find out what's going on.
Okay, please. Roll her over.
This way?
Yeah.
She's a strong bitch.
Stop resisting.
Give us your hands.
Stop resisting.
The arrest was messy, kicking, scratching, resisting every step of the way.
Give me a second and I'll walk and talk. But I just... Hold on, I need just a second. Hold on. I got no guns, I just have surveillance. I don't drink or do drugs. Call the Internal Affairs or Officer Truntz, Truntz. I live in Hallandale Beach in Laguna Beach, California. Are you body camming this, sir? Babe, don't cut my Just pull it down over my... Oh, you're a big tough guy, huh?
Unit 518.
You're a big tough guy.
Try to kick me.
I'm not.
Hey, relax.
48.
I like pit.
I called because she wouldn't let me in.
Into your own house.
Right.
Okay. Hang tight.
Okay.
And all my footage went straight to the car. And BBC, CBS, NBC. I'm a British citizen also. Yeah. And all my attorneys.
There were 4 waivers of prosecution signed on battery and assault charges yesterday, according to this guy. Apparently they had some sort of 22 yesterday. He ended up signing 4 waivers of prosecution for assault and battery yesterday on his ex-girlfriend at the house they're staying. I don't know because we're not out with her. Yeah. There may be domestic charges here. I don't know.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Dios te bendiga. Dios te bendiga. You guys, I have surveillance on me right now in this car.
Like I said, her whole plan is just to get you guys indicted. That's why she's running around, taking pictures. Did you see her going up the road, pointing the camera at you?
No, I did not see her at all.
Well, the other guys did. Like I said, all she wants to do is get you guys indicted. That's her whole plan.
Less pacing, more leaning. Try for me.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna come. We're taking a picture of his injuries.
Don't you pace. I'll put you in the car, Michael.
Just stand right here.
You're not. If you were standing right there, I would have to say every 10 seconds, stop pacing.
Woo-wee. That felt good.
We got hit for 700,000.
No. What's like the average like slip and fall settle?
I don't know, 30,000.
Oh, yeah, that will change. That'll change a lot of stuff for me. Okay. That's good information to know. I wish I didn't record my plan first before I go over there and take a dive.
So I'm good?
Michael, you're good. I don't think you have anything in my car on top of my car.
And my iPhone. Take your f***ing arm off me like that.
Sit down in the car,
I'm a
please.
f***ing citizen of the United States.
Ma'am.
Senor, muy guapo. Treat me like your mother would want you to treat a female.
Hey, have a seat in the car, please.
Dios te bendiga, motherfucker.
Have a seat in the car,
I'll
please.
see you in court.
Okay.
And you can have a great career and a great pension. But if you fucking treat me like this, you'll be fucking indicted.
Don't get in the car, we'll make you get in the car.
Oh, baby, you can't make me do nothing. Do you not remember going toe-to-toe with me? You can't make me do nothing.
Sit down.
By the end of the night, the charges told the real story. Battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest with and without violence, driving with a suspended license, fleeing and eluding, failure to obey. Hours spent drifting in and out of the gas station, drinks taken but never a cent paid. That's when officers finally stepped in.
So the lady in the Afghan been coming in and out of here for hours. She's just stealing. She'll pay for any of her beverages.
You do want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am? Hi. Sorry, I didn't catch your information. What's your name?
Do you have a name?
What's your name?
Do you have a name?
Yeah, Officer Silva from Sarasota Police Department.
Can I see your birth certificate and your social security number?
No.
Are you going to ask me for mine?
Ma'am, you're being currently at this time trespassed.
She lifted the stolen bottle and drank from it right in front of them, a silent dare that erupted seconds later.
You understand that, right? What's your name? Can we talk about this? Do you want to have a conversation with me?
Don't put your hands on me. You have no right to. What if I was a mute? What if I was deaf?
Whoa.
Why are you taking your gloves out?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Excessive talking is a sign of abuse.
Right now, I just want you to leave.
Yeah, you just want me to leave. Just like you shot me the up and I had every fake name tag violating me in my corner. I still talk you to the court. And I'm still giving you the tools back so that you don't kill your selves. Can you stop disrespecting my son to the whore? Why is he not going to rip your face off?
Hey, why are we...
Why do I have to not worry that my own son is going to go through a psychological, traumatic, psychotic breakdown? Why would I not think that my own son could gut you to the court and you never be like that or harm me like that in your life?
Instead of leaving, she screamed into the air, twisting to argue with no one at all. The officers exchanged wary glances. Something felt off.
Do you think this is funny because I can regulate this as a human being, that you're not watching a real human experience, and I could kill you? I could drain all of you right now when you have weapons on you, and my son could still come in here and ravage their cores. What is wrong with you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Do you want to die right now? I'm gonna grab gloves real quick.
Yeah.
You can leave and go to the hospital. Your choice.
I don't need to go to the hospital. I don't need to go to the hospital.
No.
I need to get real human rest. And if somebody doesn't understand what the is going on right now, how many more times can I do this lens right in front of your face? You're exterminating my family.
Who are you talking to?
If you put your hands on me, I'm gonna break your jaw.
I don't know her name. I buy them coffee every morning. She has psychological problems, obviously, like serious. She doesn't talk. She never speaks.
Okay.
But she's like totally harmless.
You don't know her
she's
name,
just-
first name?
No, I don't. She never speaks. She never says a word.
At least have him try to calm her down. But I was this close to tasing her.
Well, we can't help you if you don't tell us what's going on. But I do like this version of you better.
Bill, your any mileage?
Nothing?
30, 97.
A smile is good. Can we help you with anything? Do you understand you can't go back on this property? You do? Oh, you don't? I'm pretty sure if you stay here, they're gonna call next. So what are we gonna do? Negotiator?
I can tell you're upset and frustrated. Do you think we can help you out? Maybe take you to the hospital, get you some food there?
Do you want me to take you to the hospital? You would never make it to a hospital. You want me to send you to your mother's doorstep in a box, stupid?
I'm just trying to help you.
Coroner to send you to your mother's house in a box. Because I can open this up now and show you how to use that gun, stupid.
Well, we didn't get far, did we?
There's no guns in there. Dead bodies in there.
When they tried to guide her outside, resistance turned violent. Shoves, scratching, chaos spilling into the parking lot.
Give me my stuff.
You want your stuff?
Are you gonna shoot me with a taser? Because I
You're flexing on me right now.
If I ever call my son talking about food and water, where is my stuff?
Not kick! Not kick! Not kick!
Stop kicking! Get down to the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back! Stop kicking! Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back!
They're still abusing and hurting me. Do you see this? They're still hurting me.
Put your hands behind your back! Right now!
Roll it towards me.
11260, one white female, 1015.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
Take my arms off. Go ahead.
In the end, it doesn't matter what she shouted or who she thought she was talking to. The charges spoke clearly. Battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence, trespassing after warning,